Hello guys, welcome back to Transformation Academy, and this is the time we all have been waiting for, the time that we actually dive into the charts. But before we begin, I just wanna take this minute to just tell you guys that I'm having trouble verifying my phone number on YouTube, so that means that I'm not gonna be able to send videos that are above 15 minutes. So I'm going to be sending videos that are 15-minute and below for the time being until I verify my number. And before we get started, I just want to ask for those who haven't subscribed to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any videos, and do hit that notification bell. All right, cool. Let's begin. So, for the past videos, we've been talking about the the theory behind market movement, market structure, the switch in market dynamics, change of characters, internal structure, swing structure, and all that. And today, from this day going onwards, we're going to be looking into the charts themselves. So let's begin. So we're gonna start by mapping this market. So we're on Euro USD for our time frame, and just by looking at this market, what do you think this market is doing? Do you think this market is in a bullish trend or bearish trend? If you said bullish, then you're right. To those who said bearish, you are also right, because the market started off bullish, but then kind of turned bearish for a bit, then switched bullish. So let's begin this mapping. So we're gonna start like from this high because we don't have a pullback here. So we're gonna start here, right? This is our higher high, and then our higher low, and then higher high, right? So this is a bullish trend, right? And then price gives us a pullback, higher low, right? And since we are bullish, expecting higher prices, price comes up into here, right? Gives us a new higher high, and then what does price do? Price sells, goes down, creates a what? Creates a new lower low. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove this, and then we're gonna map the market, and we're gonna dress the market. Right now, this is an undressed chart, so we're gonna dress it. Okay, so let's dress our market. So right now, we're gonna break our structure here. All right, break our structure, and then we have another break or structure here. All right, and then price gives us a change of character here. Okay, cool. Change of character, right? But then price doesn't give us another pullback and a lower low. Okay, price doesn't do that. Price just rockets from this low all the way up here. Okay, so initially gives us price just gives us a higher high, right? And then price rockets down, gives us a what? Gives us a new lower low, but then price fails to give us a new lower low. Price just price just rockets down, right? Lower low, and then rockets up again, high high. Okay, so let's map this up. Okay, so and then we have what? We have a break of structure, right? Since the change of character didn't hold, we have a new break of structure. Okay, and then this is one of the moments where I said that for you to get extra confirmation that the price is truly bearish, you need to see another you need to see another run up and run down, right? Because just this up and down movement, it doesn't really tell you much that the market is bearish. You need to see another run up and down. Okay, and if the price doesn't do that, if price just runs up, then that means this change of character was false, right? It was an inducement. Okay, it was a fake change of character to make traders believe that the market is now going lower, but then it wasn't. Okay, cool. um let's go in again, and then price gives us the pullback, and then another higher high. So break of structure here. Okay, cool. All right, I got a break of structure, and then price rockets up. Okay, got a higher high here, right? Yeah, we have a higher high there, and then we just want to market that as a higher high, break of structure, and then price fails to give us new what? New higher prices. Price keeps on rocketing down, right? Price ranges for a bit and then price sells initially. Okay, so that concludes to be a change of character here. Okay, change of character there. Okay, a change of character, and then no pullback here, but then the pullback starts at this lowest point. So this is our lower low. Okay, this is our swing low, like we said in the previous video. It's our swing low, right? And then what's our swing high? The swing high is the high that gave us the change of character, okay? Which is this high up here, right? This was the high that was supposed to be violated, but then it didn't get violated, but then it gave us the change of character. So this is our swing high, and this is our swing low, okay? So right now, euro dollar is bearish in this instance. So what we are initially waiting for, we just initially waiting for price to right to give us this run up, right? We have this run up, but then we are waiting for some it's at some point we are waiting for price to what to give us the internal realignment, and then we rock it down all the way down here, okay? And if the change of character here is false, then that means price is just gonna rocket up, right, until price gives us a new break or structure to the upside. But if this change of character is valid, then we need to see a run up and run down. Okay, so this is initially this is what the market structure looks like when you're doing it on the real charts. And I know there are a lot of things that I need to talk about. Things like how to identify a pullback. Like a lot of people think that from this low to this high, it's a pullback and a break of structure, but it's not, because there are reasons for that. So a lot of people are going to be thinking that this is a break of structure and then this is a change of character, but it's not. We are currently still bearish on the market. So to those who are thinking that price is bullish, it is not. Okay. So like I said, a lot of things to talk about, things like how to identify a valid pullback and how to identify an invalid pullback, stuff like that. And also people are going to be confused and be like, okay, so what's our swing high? Isn't this supposed to be our swing high? Isn't this supposed to be our swing high? Also, isn't this supposed to be our swing high, like I said before? And it's not that. So in this video, I just wanted to show you how to map the market on the real chart themselves. And right now, as you can see, price is bearish on 4 hour. And then in the next video, since I'm only allowed to be creating videos that are less than 15 minutes. So in this video, I'm just gonna post this video as this is, and then in the next video, I'm gonna be making a video of the same chart, but then going down to the M15 so that you can see the internal structure. Because like as we said in the previous theory lessons, we said that price moves in what? There's an internal structure that happens in between the swings. So as I talked before, whatever's happening in between the swing high and the swing low, this is your internal structure, right? Whatever's happening in between the swing high and this low, right? Everything happening in between is your internal structure until price breaks out of here, right? And then we're also going to talk about how to identify a valid break of structure and an invalid break of structure, how to identify a lot of things. But then just for this video, this is just a basic market structure video put in the chart. So this is the end of this video. In the next video, I'm going to be posting the M15. All right, so ciao.